So, when I pulled the caps off the wheels, there's a safety cap on this side of the wheel, another one on the other side of the wheel. When I pulled off the safety cap off of this side of the wheel, there is a seal, a little plastic white seal, and one part of it was turned in, and I could see it wasn't sealed properly, and that will let water into the bearings, into the wheel. Okay, so what I did, the pick I sort of used. So what you're going to have to do is get to that seal where you see it's turned in and pick it out and then reseal it properly on the wheel. I guess you call it a hub.